Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Today here to show you a 2019 Nautique GS20. So this is the outside of the GS20. We did a white with a black and a gray bottom. Looks really sharp. If we come back here, the GS20 does have the really nice seats in the back here. You can hang out while people are swimming. Obviously we got NSS, we got NCRS, and our surf pipe all underneath here as well. This is a wonderful surf boat that we have here at our Rogers location. This is the gray with the white. For 2019, not a lot has changed, but you still have your link pan array, all your systems right up in here. This is their GS model, so this is their perfect all-around boat. So if you're a skier, wakeboarder, wake surfer, all those different things, this is that perfect boat for you. Good boat to store in a garage, easy to trailer around. The GS20 does really do it all. So it does have the subfloor ballast, so you get storage all over this boat. We've got the two 7.7s up on the tower with the reverse cam right up here as well. This is a wonderful boat. You can come to a Rogers location and take a look at it.